Fateh Group, where quality means real victory. Fateh Group, a big dream, started as a modest enterprise of highly precise, fine quality natural stones in 1985. Now, the Fateh Group offers a range of products and services under different companies. Mining and supplying fine quality, exquisite granites. Fateh Stones International, pioneer in marbles shaped with precision, with a vision to provide finest quality granites carved with great precision every time. We have stuck to our core ideology till date with the ever-increasing needs across the globe. The art factories set up at Jalore, Rajasthan and Bangalore, Karnataka, which stand at the top 2 positions in granite industry, are equipped with 8 multi-cutters and for cutting vertical slabs. With the production capacity of 15,000 square meters at Jalore and 12,000 square meters at Bangalore per month, Fateh Granites has been awarded by the Government of India for its excellence in maintaining quality and accuracy. Every block and the cut pieces of marbles are handled with utmost care to keep them intact and in shape until they shine on the floors. Fateh or victory is when each and every customer is happy and smiling.